Hello everyone, I'm going to create a glossy makeup look. At first, I'm taking a Cetaphil moisturizer. This is good for all skin type. I applied it all over my face. Next, prime our face with a primer. Now it's the magical session of glossy look. Here, I'm using stove cream from MAC and applied it high points of my face. Even blend it a gentle way. Next, I'm taking lightweighted foundation from Fit Me. I take very small stroke of the product and I applied it a tapping motion of my face by using the brush. Blend it perfectly. And don't forget to cover neck and ear section. Here I am taking my exact tone foundation. It gives a natural finishing. And slightly going to compact without concealer, because concealer gives the extra coverage. It feels like heavy, so I ignore that to this natural finishing look. Now give some detail enhancement on my face using Sugar 3-in-1 palette. At first, take blush from the palette, even dust it, applied it on my cheeks and nose and chin to give dolled up look. Next, I am using contour from the palette to cut my chin by using the same brush. Next, the second important step to detail up the glossy look. So I am taking highlighter from the palette and apply it on eye points of my face. Blend the highlighter on the circular motion. It gives the natural finishing look. Now the time to enhance my eyes. At first I'm going to done my eyebrows by using the brow palette from PAC. Take semi to darker shade and just fill brows. Don't give any extra structure and blend it with the spoolie brush. First, creation of extra brow texture gives some artificial detailed look, so I'm just fill my brows. Next, liner using compact mirror. I forgot. Yes, I take the same brow palette to create my quite smoky eyeshadow and mix light and darker shader by using our ring finger and apply the top of the eyes and blend it. Now go for kajal from Maybelline. Create a line at the top of the lash line. Don't forget to apply inner waterline and blend the kajal line by using the brush for smoky look. Here I am using liner from Maybelline to bold up my eyes. Again take kajal from Maybelline to cover under waterline. Then apply mascara from Maybelline Colossal to bold up my lashes. Now enter the colorful theme of the makeup. I am using lip liner to cover up my lips. Now take a palette lipstick from Nykaa and bold up my outer line by using the dark shade of the palette. Now straightly go for the lighter shade to fill up my lips. Now retouch my blush and highlighter area by using the same sugar palette. Yes, my look ready.